regular people. Just the name of the game is all I want. I just want to be read, fame to pick your favorite font. You can hate all you want, but does that mean that I will respond? Maybe, or maybe not. I don't mean to go on and on about the same shit these other rappers talk about. I just want to be different, like I'm living, but in the casket. It's tragic how magic has brought me here. I'm just sitting here like a deer in the headlights, staring into my future. If becoming an MC Bailey one day, it would be safe to say that I am the greatest rapper alive. My only problem is the box. I'm trapped inside. I'm not thinking right, making mistakes. Like who knows? This could be the day I die. I wonder if anybody will cry. I mean, I know my family would. They have to love me. How does one see the future when I'm stuck in this lecture, just daydreaming about the randomest things? Like, does a hummingbird actually sing? For Christmas this year, what will Santa bring? Maybe that box I was talking about, except this time I'll be thinking outside. First verse, but this is my last rhyme. Second verse, I guess I should just jump right in it. Yeah, I know this is a slow song, I just want you to really feel it. If love is like a drug, then tell me where I find who feels it. I never look down on anybody, but still I've been looked down upon. But I still keep my head up to the sky, like I have no ceiling. I turn my bass up until I can feel it tickle my eardrum. I just want to be noticed by music, like I have a song for ransom. It feels like I'm dancing with the devil. I'm just a beginner who's cheating my way up to the top level. Grab, eat, sleep, this is my everyday schedule. Well, maybe not in that order. Just don't mix up my words like the asshole news reporter. Am I disordered or dishonored? Dishonestly, I am discovered. Can we diss the prefix of dishonesty and honestly turn my discovery into honesty? Honestly, I wouldn't mind if you grew too fond of me. I don't know, maybe soon it will be my time. But for now, I'm just spitting line after line. Second verse, but this is my last rhyme.